Hello there, and I'm excited to share with you some information about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. If you're struggling with weight loss and wondering if this product can help you, then you've come to the right place. Throughout this video, I'll be addressing some common concerns and questions you may have about this product. Before we dive into the details, I want to make a quick but important note. Please be cautious about where you purchase Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The product is only available for sale on the official website, which I've included in the description below. So, please avoid purchasing from Walmart or Amazon, as these sites do not sell the original product. Now, let's talk about some common weight loss struggles that many people face. You may have tried numerous diets, exercises, or treatments, and yet still found it challenging to shed those extra pounds. However, did you know that the problem may not be what you eat, but rather how your metabolism functions? A slow metabolism can make it difficult to lose weight, no matter how hard you try. In fact, it can even slow down further if you eat less, ultimately reducing your energy expenditure. But, by using Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, you can accelerate your metabolism, promoting higher caloric expenditure, and ultimately aiding in fat loss. This product is an all-natural supplement packed with thermogenic nutrients that can promote fat burning. It's been reported that this supplement can accelerate your metabolism up to 3 times more than normal, which is fantastic news. Please note that immediate results are not guaranteed, as every body reacts differently. However, with consistent use, you'll begin to see results. Another benefit of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is that it has no known side effects, as it's made from natural ingredients. To get the best results, it's recommended to take 1 scoop of the product around 10 a.m. or 1 hour after a light breakfast. Some people see initial results within the first month, while others may take longer. However, most users report better results after 3 to 6 months of consistent use. Lastly, I want to mention that you can try Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for 90 days and get your money back if you're not satisfied. So, you have nothing to lose by giving this product a chance. If you're interested in learning more about this product, I encourage you to click on the link in the description below to visit the official website. There, you can make a safe purchase and start your weight loss journey. In conclusion, I hope this video has provided you with some valuable insights into Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. If you have any further questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. And, if you found this video helpful, please share it with others who may benefit from it. Also, consider subscribing to this channel to see more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching.